how to use Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you use Snapchat feature. So let's get started. First, as you have to just install the application Snapchat from the App Store or Play Store. After that, simply open that. And from there, simply you'll have to just log in with your account using your email or phone number. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you can, as usual, review all of the multiple effects or filter whom you can use on your picture. Simply you'll have to just swipe right and choose the filter whom you want to add on your picture. After that, simply tap and click the picture. After you click the picture, simply you can save it to your gallery or save to your memory. For that, tap on the download icon at the bottom left. From here, you can, as usual, save it to your memories, or you can send to your friends if you have it. Simply tap on send to at the bottom right. And from here, as usual, you can send it to your friend. You can, as usual, add to your story of Snapchat. The another feature is like watching Spotlight or Reels. For that, simply tap on play icon at the bottom right. And from here, you can, as usual, review or watch Spotlight or Reels on Snapchat. Likewise, you can also do a conversation with your friend. Simply from here, tap on the chat icon at the bottom left. And from here, you can, as usual, send them snap. Like you can text, you can make a call, and you can do a conversation on Snapchat. And that's it. This might be a useful application for you to take picture, make snap, and having conversation on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.